The growth of mold and mildew on the shower surface is unpleasant and brings the risk of allergies and infections to family members, especially children. Shower mold cleaners use an effective formula to remove mold infestation and keep the shower clean and healthy. There are many products available to choose shower cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best shower cleaners for mold and mildew from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Wet and Forget Shower Cleaner. Wet and Forget's mold and mildew cleaners come in 3 packs. It is a ready-to-use formula that requires almost no manual cleaning of the shower surfaces. You can use it to clean mold infestation on non-porous and hard surfaces with one swipe. Spray it on the required surface and leave it for 12 hours for easy cleaning. Keep away from direct contact with the skin and eyes for safe use. Its soft vanilla fragrance keeps the shower smelling fresh. Positive side of this product. Easy to use in spray and rinse formulation. Optimal cleaning and prevention of scum and grime buildup. Does not require scrubbing or wiping. Free of bleach, ammonia, or dye. No irritating fumes when used. Lasts for up to 12 weeks. Can work on hard water stains. Negative side of this product. May require multiple applications depending on the bathroom surface. May not work on limb scale. Number 2. RMR86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover Spray. If you are looking for the best shower cleaner for mold and mildew with long-lasting use, RMR spray is ideal. This mold and mildew remover with spray is easy to use and can clean the shower surface on the first go. It can quickly remove mold and its stains. The strong and gentle cleaning formula can clean various surfaces. Positive side of this product. Scrub-free formulation. Easy removal of stubborn mold stains. Removal of a damp, musty smell. Useful for the bathroom and kitchen. Fast cleaning. Removes deeply embedded stain. Suitable for concrete, vinyl siding, and wood surfaces. Negative side of this product. Slightly ineffective for tough old mold stains. Number 3. BRITE Mold and Mildew Stain Remover and Cleaner. BRITE Shower Anti-Mold Cleaner is a concentrated and lightweight liquid formula that quickly removes stains. Its highly alkaline, triple-action formula effectively removes mold stains without the need for extensive manual cleaning. The buffered bleach technology can easily remove grime and grease. Positive side of this product. Effectively cleans outdoor upholstery and acrylic fabric. Ideal for wood, concrete, fiberglass, drywall, and roof surfaces. Professional strength formulation. Simple spray cleaning. Does not harm threads or stitching. Negative side of this product. Requires a second application with mild scrubbing for old stains. Number 4. Tilex Mold and Mildew Remover Spray. The Tilex Shower Mold and Mildew Remover comes in a pack of 2 with a spray nozzle for each bottle to easily clean mold-infested surfaces. Its economical size provides a powerful cleaning effect without manual scrubbing. All you need to do is spray the liquid for the ultimate cleaning experience. Positive side of this product. Removes mold and mildew stain immediately. Useful for concrete surfaces. Concentrated cleaning solution for high effectiveness. Spray-enabled easy use. Useful with a grout brush. Negative side of this product. May bleach some surfaces. Number 5. FOLLOWIN Mold and Mildew Bathroom Cleaner Gel. This household stain cleaner for shower tiles effectively maintains grout, sinks, and sealants. Its gel-based formula spreads smoothly on the entire surface and adds sticky coverage for easy removal of mold stains. It is also one of the best shower mold and mildew cleaners in a gel formula for concentrated cleaning. Positive side of this product. Deep cleaning with a concentrated formulation. Non-volatile active ingredients. Bleach-free, non-acidic cleaning eliminates corrosion. Safe, biodegradable, and eco-friendly. Low odor cleaning. Wide range of use for different surfaces. Negative side of this product. Not suitable for colored grout. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.